This channel is not made for kids. None of the videos on this channel are made for kids. This is for adults, adult collectors, hobbyists, and enthusiasts. I like kids. Kids are great. This channel is not made for them. Adult supervision is encouraged. Thank you very much.
Well, hey there and how are you today? My name is Carla. I'm an adult doll collector and you're in my hangout. Today, we're going to do a quick tutorial on how to turn these doubles into some new items for your dolls. Hang on and I'll be right back. To do this project, you need some acrylic paint. Now I am using acrylic paint pens. I got these off of Temu. They're by a company called Flycia. You can also get this brand of pens from art stores. I just happened to get a better price through Temu. I also use some silver glitter nail polish by LA Colors and some press-on nails. And for our project, that's all you'll need. Let's get started.